Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video 97. In the last video, I explained reactions of haloalkanes. So there are three types: nucleophilic substitution reaction, elimination reaction and reaction with metals. So in the last video I explained nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, and in this first reaction SN1, SN2 and stereochemical aspect I explained. So today I am going to tell you about reactions of haloalkanes. Second number, elimination reaction, and third one, reaction with metals. So let us start. Elimination reaction, that is means beta elimination reaction. Elimination reaction, that is means when a haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom, that is means halogen attach this carbon, so it is a alpha, and next carbon attached with this carbon, so it is a beta. So when haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom, okay, is heated with alcoholic solution of KOH, so elimination of hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom from alpha carbon halogen, and then beta position hydrogen, so it is a eliminate. So result is lone pair given its 2 carbon, so double bond here form, so X minus, okay, and B react with H, so BH form, okay, and double bond form between 2 carbon. So when a haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom, this is halogen attached this carbon alpha, next carbon is beta and beta position hydrogen atom attached. So when haloalkane with beta hydrogen atom is heated with alcoholic solution of KOH, so elimination of the hydrogen atom from beta carbon and halogen atom attached from alpha carbon, so result alkene are formed. If more than one beta atoms available, then there is possible of formation of more than one alkene form. So one alkene, first number alkene formed as major product, and these form part of a pattern first observed by Russian chemist Alexander Zaitsev, and also we have to say Sadjev. So name different but scientist is same, Alexander Zaitsev, and in some books Sadjev, okay, and who in 1875 formulated a rule which can be summarized as in dehydrohalogenation reaction, preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. So 2-bromopentane gives pant 2 in major. See here, halogen attached this carbon, so this is the alpha, and then next carbon is beta, and then here this also beta carbon. So both side OH minus attach and OH minus attach. So first number like this one, so alpha position halogen and beta 1 position hydrogen, so H and B are out, so double bond form between, so here double bond form, so this compound is 1 2 3 4 5 pant, and second number carbon double bond, so pant 2 in 81% obtained, and this side beta 2 side hydrogen replace eliminate, and alpha position Br, so HBr, so double bond form after first carbon, so 19% form pant 1e. Reason, here double bond this carbon and this carbon, so here one substitute attached and here one substitute attached, so 2 alkyl group, and here only one side attached alkyl group, so less number of compound form, major less minor product, okay. So this is the beta 1 side and here beta 2 side, Okay, so this Alexander Zaitsev, who in 1875 formulated a rule which can be summarized as in dehydrohalogenation reaction, and preferred product is that alkene which has the greater number of alkyl group attached to the doubly bonded carbon atom. So 2-bromopentane gives pan-2-ene. So pan-2-ene major and pan-1-ene minor. Third is reaction with metals. First is substitution, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second one, elimination reaction. So third is reaction with metals. So reaction with metals, organometallic compounds. Most organic chlorides, bromides, iodides react with certain metals to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. So such compounds are called organometallic compounds. Okay, so organic chlorides, bromide, iodides react with certain metals so to give compound containing carbon metal bonds. Clear? So example, Grignard reagents. Grignard reagents. So in 1900, Victor Grignard discovered OMC. OMC, that is means organometallic compounds, and is alkyl magnesium halide RMgX. So preparation haloalkanes react with magnesium metal in dry ether. Haloalkane example, take CH3CH2Br, bromo and 2 carbon eth, so bromoethane react with magnesium in the presence of the dry ether. So MgBr react. So compound is CH3CH2 MgBr. So ethyl magnesium bromide, and its name is Grignard reagent. Okay, so again I say organometallic compounds. Most organic chlorides, bromides and iodide react with certain metals. So to give compounds containing carbon metal bonds. So such compounds are called organometallic compounds. So like Mg and with Br, bond is formed. So RMgBr. So Grignard reagent, and in 1900 Victor Grignard discovered organometallic compound is alkyl magnesium halide RMgX. So bromomethane. Then physical properties RMgX. So Mg metal, so delta plus electropositive, halogen electronegative, and alkyl group because due to the attach with metal, so metallic bond, so it is here delta negative. So carbon and magnesium bond covalent but highly polar. So with carbon pulling electron from electropositive magnesium, so magnesium halide bond is ionic. Okay, so reason is carbon magnesium bond is covalent, but reason highly polar. Okay, so carbon electron attract from magnesium, electropositive magnesium, so magnesium halide bond is ionic. Chemical properties of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent highly reactive and react with water, alcohol, amines and convert to hydrocarbon. See, RMgX react with Grignard reagent, react with water. So R react with hydrogen, so RH hydrocarbon alkane. Then magnesium react with halogen and OH, so MgXOH. Okay, and avoid even traces of moisture from Grignard reagent, so carried out in dry ether, so always in the presence of the dry ether. Okay, so carried out in dry ether. So Wurtz reaction, like 2 alkyl halide and react with 2 Na, but in the presence of the dry ether. So 2 alkyl halide, so 2 R, that is 1 R react with R, so hydrocarbon alkene are formed, and 2 NaX, but in the presence of the dry ether. So alkyl halide react with Na in dry ether to give hydrocarbon containing double the number of carbon atom present in the halide, because see here like CH3X. Okay, like example is 2CH3X. So here only one carbon. Okay, but methyl halide, it is a 2 mole molecule, but compound is formed, C plus 2 Na, and then 2Na with X, 2NaX, then 2CS3. So compound is formed, CS3, CS3. So in reactant one carbon only, and but in product CSCCS is a 2 carbon. So always 1 carbon greater obtain. So this is the Wurtz reaction. Next topic we have to start, reaction of haloarenes. So complete the reaction of haloalkanes, nucleophilic substitution reaction, reaction with elimination reaction, and third is reaction with metals. So then reaction of haloarenes. Reaction of haloarenes divided into two parts, nucleophilic substitution reaction and second one electrophilic substitution reaction. Reaction of haloarenes. Nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution reaction. So haloarenes less reactive. Haloarenes less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction due to the following reasons. So first reason is resonance effect. Which is reason? Resonance effect. So C. Haloarenes like Cl attached with benzene ring, Cl 17th group of element and 7 electron outer shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7th electron attached with benzene. So this Cl give its lone pair to the benzene. So but next double bond transfer its electron on ortho position. So double bond electron going on the ortho position, so negative charge, and backside lone pair makes double bond. Then this bond is new bond make, but before double bond transfer on the para position. So negative charge on para and here new bond is formed. This para position negative charge transfer on next, but before double bond transfer on again this position. So here double bond new form and then here negative charge again going to the forward, and then but before double bond going to the Cl. So here new double bond form and here again double bond convert into the single bond and electrons again come on Cl. So lone pair. Okay, so due to this is the way resonance. So electron pair on halogen atom are in conjugation with pi electrons of the ring. So due to the resonance, carbon chlorine, this is the carbon and chlorine bond, acquires a partial double bond character. So bond cleavage is difficult. So due to the resonance, carbon chlorine bond acquires a partial double bond and character. So bond cleavage is difficult than haloalkane. So they are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second reason is difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Here you see haloalkane carbon attach H, R, H, S, X. So here carbon is sp3 hybrid atom. So carbon atom attached to the halogen is sp3 hybridized, and sp3 hybridized carbon with less S character, and carbon chlorine bond length is 177 picometer. Okay, but in haloarene carbon halogen bond, carbon here sp2 hybrid carbon and then sp2 hybridized carbon with a greater, so S character is more and then electronegative and can hold the electron pair of CX bond more tightly. So carbon chlorine bond length 169 picometer, but it is difficult to break a shorter bond than a longer bond. Okay, so haloarenes are less reactive than haloalkanes towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So this is the second reason, difference in hybridization of carbon atom in CX bond. Then third reason is instability of phenyl cation. In haloarenes, the phenyl cation formed as a result of self-ionization will not be stabilized by resonance. So SN1 mechanism is ruled out. Okay, so instability of phenyl cation. So it is not explained by resonance because self ionization and then will not be stabilized by resonance. Then fourth, due to the repulsion, it is less likely for the electron rich nucleophile to the approach electron rich arenes. Okay, so due to the repulsion, because nucleophile electron rich and benzene ring also electron rich. So due to the repulsion, because similar way repulsive, so due to the repulsion it is a less likely for the electron rich nucleophile and to approach a electron rich arenes. Okay, so that is means haloarenes does not represent nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then reaction of chlorobenzene, replacement by hydroxyl group. C. First reaction of chlorobenzene, Cl attached with benzene ring, but in the presence of the NaOH 673 Kelvin and 300 atm, and second one in the presence of the H plus ion. So chloride and directly replaced by OH. So OH attached with benzene. So this reaction directly you learn which reactant use, and then this compound convert into the product. So chlorobenzene convert into the phenol. The presence of the electron withdrawing group like NO2 at ortho and para position, so increase the reactivity of haloarenes. Okay, so if electron withdrawing group attach at ortho and para position, C, here chlorobenzene and para position NO2 attach, and in the presence of the NaOH, so temperature decrease. So 443 Kelvin temperature and H plus C. Here no electron withdrawing group attached. So here temperature you see 623 Kelvin. Okay, so less temperature required, and reason electron withdrawing group attached at para position. So 443 Kelvin temperature. So same product are formed, only Cl replaced by OH. Okay, but electron, due to the electron withdrawing group, here temperature less required, and then reactivity of haloarenes increase. Here you see second electron withdrawing group attached, so same 368 Kelvin, less temperature required because two electron withdrawing group are attached. Electron withdrawing, that is means given the electrons to the Cl. So electron density increase of Cl, and then haloarenes reactivity also increase. Okay. Then Cl attached with benzene and 3NO2 group, but this compound warm in the water, in the presence of the warm water, so Cl replaced by OH, so reactivity also increase and no temperature required, directly convert into the phenol. Okay, and so when NO2 group introduced at ortho and para position, so no effect on reactivity of haloarenes is observed by the presence of the electron withdrawing group at meta position. Question: can you think why does NO2 group show its effect only at ortho and para, not at meta? Because the presence of the NO2 group at ortho and para withdraw the electron density, because due to the resonance ortho and para position electron density increase. So electron density increase only on ortho and para position. So attack of nucleophile on haloarenes. So the carbon anion so formed is stabilized through resonance, and negative charge appeared at ortho and para position. So halogen substituent is stabilized by NO2 group, but in meta-nitrobenzene, none of the resonating structure bear the negative charge on carbon atom bearing NO2 group. That is a simple concept. Due to the resonance ortho and para position, negative charge appear. That is means electron density increase at ortho and para position. So nucleophile attack at ortho and para, and density increase. Okay, and increase the reactivity. But in the meta position, no electron density increase. Okay, so presence of the NO2 group at meta position does not stabilize the negative charge, and no effect on reactivity. okay, and is observed by the presence of the NO2 group at meta position. So mechanism you see, para position NO2 group attached. So OH minus attack at this carbon, but before the attacking, this double bond going to the forward. Okay, so here negative charge appear, and then backside OH attach. Again this negative charge, here new bond form, but before para position double bond transfer, this one, so negative charge appear. So ortho and para position same, negative charge appear. Okay, so it is a intermediate form this way. See, negative electron density represent. Okay, and then here you see OH attach, fast step, and then OH attach and Cl replace. Okay, and again backside attack OH minus. Here you see para position and here ortho position. So ortho isomers. So see, but this is the slow step. First step is slow and second one step is fast. Same procedure, and ortho and para position negative charge appear. But whenever meta position we take NO2 group, attach at chlorobenzene, so OH minus attack. So attack. So here you see negative charge only again ortho and para position. Ortho and para. So that is means when NO2 group attach ortho and para, so maximum electron density increase ortho and para, but due to the meta position, less electron density. Then we have to see electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes. So due to the resonance, electron density increase more at ortho and para position comparison than meta position. I already explained in the last way, nucleophilic substitution reaction resonance. So halogen atom, because of its negative effect, minus I effect, so has some tendency to withdraw electron from the benzene ring. So rings gets deactivated, then benzene. So electrophilic substitution reaction is haloarenes occur slowly. So resonating structure of chlorobenzene. So here you see Cl attached with benzene. Again explain resonance. So electron pair going to the forward, but before the here bonding, first double bond electron transfer on ortho position. So ortho position negative charge appear, and here negative charge appear. So this is forward, but before the making the new bond, first double bond transfer on the para position. So negative charge appear on para, and here new bond is formed. Then this negative charge form a new bond, new double bond, but before the making the bond, next double bond transfer on ortho. So here negative charge and backside new bond is formed. Again transfer on the forward, but before the transfer making the bond, double bond transfer to the Cl. So here new bond is formed. Again first and fifth resonating structure are same, only for double bond system is changed. See, and this double bond changes, it is a conjugated system. Okay, so conjugation is change. Clear? Electrophilic substitution reaction, here 4 example given. HNSF. H means halogenation, N means nitration, S means sulfonation, and F means Friedel-Crafts reaction. Again I say there are 4 reaction given as a electrophilic substitution reaction. H halogenation, and nitration, S sulfonation, and F Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first see halogenation, and halogenation of chlorobenzene. So Cl attach ortho and para position in the presence of the anhydrous FeCl3. If attach para position, so its name is first number and fourth number 2Cl. So 1,4-dichlorobenzene, and ortho position 1,2-dichlorobenzene, but 1/4 less repulsion, so it is a major product and it is a minor. Second one, nitration. When nitration in the nitration, concentrate HNO3 react with chlorobenzene but in the presence of the concentrate H2SO4. Okay, so ortho position and para position NO2 attach. So its name is first number chloro. So 1 chloro, 2 nitrobenzene. 1 chloro, 4 nitrobenzene. And here para position product is measure. Then third is sulfonation. Sulfonation of the chlorobenzene but in the presence of the concentrate H2SO4. Heat. So second number SO3H group attach. Okay, H2SO4, SO3H. So 2 chloro. First, this is the major compound. Comparison then Cl. So first and second number. So 2 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. It is a minor. And para position attach SO3H. So 4 chloro. First start here position first. So first so 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid. It is a major product. Then is fourth Friedel-Crafts reaction. A Friedel-Crafts reaction divided into two parts, alkylation and acylation. Alkylation, that is means chlorobenzene react with alkyl chloride like methyl chloride, CS3Cl. So its name is alkylation. So CS3Cl, so Cl whenever CS3 group attach at ortho and para, so this side a hydrogen replaced by Cl. So HCl remove and then CS3 attach ortho and para position. But this reaction happen on the presence on the anhydrous AlCl3. If CS3 attach ortho, so its name is, this is the first and this is the first and this is the second. So 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene, 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene, but it is a para position compound, so major and it is a minor. Second is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation, that is means acyl chloride form react. Acyl means CS3CO. So acyl chloride. So COCS3 attach at ortho and para. So ortho and para. So its name, it is a major group comparison then Cl. So 1 number and 2 number. So 2 chloro and then aceto group. This is the aceto group and phenyl group attached. So its name is acetophenol. Okay, and its name is 4th chloro and acetophenol. Okay, it is a major. Clear? So electrophilic substitution reaction, first is halogenation. First you explain resonating structure of chlorobenzene, then halogenation, so chlorine attach ortho and para position. Then second one, nitration in the presence of the HNO3 and react with HNO3 but in the presence of the sulfuric acid. So NO2 group attach at ortho and para position. Para compound is major. Then sulfonation of the chlorobenzene, so react with chlorobenzene concentrate H2SO4 and heat. So 2 chloro sulfonic acid and 2 chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and para 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid obtained. It is a major and it is a minor. And then fourth one is Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is divided into two parts, alkylation and acylation. So alkylation, that is means chlorobenzene react with chloromethyl, methyl chloride and in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3 and then methyl group attached with on ortho position and then para position. So its name is 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene and 1 chloro 4 methyl benzene. And Friedel-Crafts acylation, acyl compound is react, that is means CS3COCl. So chlorobenzene react with CS3COCl but in the presence of the anhydrous AlCl3. So COCS3 group attach on ortho position and para position. So first and second. So second number Cl attached. So 2-chloro aceto group phenol. 2-chloroacetophenol. And fourth position, so 4-chloroacetophenol. Okay, so Friedel-Crafts reaction divided into two parts, alkylation and acylation.